Hello friends, welcome to Nomadster Vlogs. So today we are just gonna see Silverstrand beach in County Galway. Do you see that? You can see the ocean there. So that's the beach we're gonna see. So actually there's no parking available, so I went there and came back all the way back. I just parked the car by the side of the road because there was no parking space, so it's all packed because there are so many people here. It was a nice weather. I've seen a Cadillac here. Oh my god. It's a left-hand drive. I've seen this one only in the movies, so people really. I love cars, especially old cars though. Cadillac, I've never seen a Cadillac like that so closely. Yeah, that's the view there. And it's a sunny day. So many people, so many cars. So the reason is a good weather. People are here. Two ice cream. My god, we're really hungry. So friends, we are in Silverstrand beach in Galway City. It's just 10 kilometers from Galway. It's somewhere around there. It's a small beach. It's not many area to cover. The beach is completely packed. So I have my friends here with me. So it's them. Not as good as expected, I see. We all got just having some water.
This is female, so we call putti. Isn't it?
Patti means
Is it so Hindi?
Going too fast.
There's nothing much in this beach, guys. It's rocks, and sunset or sunrise. This will be a great view here. See that? So that's all, friends. That's all I can show you in Silverstrand beach here. It's a short video, there's nothing much to show, so that's it. Okay, we're going back, so bye bye. So thank you so much for watching the master vlogs. See you later. Bye bye. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, and please like and comment on the video and let me know your opinions. So thank you so much. Bye bye.